Look what we got. Look what we got. Look what we got. Wow. It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th subscriber, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and I do. It was a milestone. Every single time I hit something, it was a milestone. Still is. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. I love y'all. We did it. This took a lot of hard work, but it was so worth it. Oh my gosh. And it's a mirror, guys, it's a mirror. I never knew that. I thought it was a silver button. This is actually a mirror. So now it's time to redo the desk area so that I can incorporate my silver plaque. Thank you guys. We did this. So this is like both of ours, right? But I'm gonna keep it in my house, you know. Hey guys, I'm feeling real good. This is 2 videos in 1 week, but like I said, I just gotta get it done, okay? I just gotta do it like Nike. So I have been meaning to do this giveaway, guys, because we hit 100,000 subscribers. She gonna cry in the car. We hit 100,000 subscribers, and as of right now, we're at 120,000 subscribers. Look at God. It only took 7 years, but he did it. But yes, I am so excited that we are 120,000 deep up in here, okay? And to show my appreciation, I got a giveaway for y'all. And it's actually one of many giveaways. I had this contact paper since we hit 50,000 subscribers, but I said I was gonna wait until we hit 100,000 and I was gonna do the giveaway. But we hit 100,000 subscribers pretty much around Christmas time, and y'all, your girl was not about to be running no giveaway around Christmas time because the line to ship something was down the street. So Christmas is over, but the gifts are still gonna keep coming. I am going to be doing 2 giveaways, one here on YouTube and another over on Instagram. So let me tell you how to enter here on YouTube. Go to this video right here and enter your screen name. So what does that mean? Okay, if your name is Jack of all trades, and that's what you show up on YouTube, then Jack of all trades will just type their name, Jack of all trades. And if you want to win even more, then you can share this video to someone else and have them put your name in the comment section as well. I'm super excited about this, guys, because I have a Trends 2021 video coming up, and I went back and I evaluated the Trends 2020 video, and I uncovered some very shocking things, and I was just like, what? The writing was on the wall, and I can't wait to talk to y'all about it. So definitely enter to win so you can start your interior design journey now, and good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. If you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure that you go ahead and follow me on Instagram so that you can have an opportunity to win there too, because there's going to be a total of 2 winners. So as always, guys, don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will see you guys on the next upload. Bye, guys.